Abusia, Yasanji Egwa, my name is brother, Omo, Yaji Egwa, Makosem issues of life. Next Sunday, yes, I then Atwaso, part 2 of last week, you know. But before that, in fast that my sponsors, someone saw you seeing the program with a bro. BB Superfine Bakery, BB bread, because the bread na YouTube channel. Ghana had the ajibe bia bread out the cocoa to be the dear and be to me the din quine na GTR sounds. Open speakers, machines, Ghana hako baby GTR sound be the best American in the amount. Thames Metal Corporation. Almost ya singe di jumbe di Makosem ebro. Ntimi call me bra homo na yentua yenkomos. Omo, you are welcome again. Oh, you are welcome again. All right. Last week, make we continue today. Make we continue. I want to ask you why you not still search for your brothers.
Basically, as of 2021. Because we left 2017, that was 2021. I heard that one of them is now living at your Dansuma estate. Yeah, she's doing well now. He's doing well now.
Try and search for your brothers.
Yeah, he's doing well. I heard that.
All right. Okay. If I watch your this thing, very cute. How business they go? Like people they come, then they bring orders, and how will they get your market?
It's my market production system. In this versatility, as you can see now, this versatility, it's a cool versatility, but where you can get some work around. Though customers normally come here to energize me, to give me work.
Okay,
people they part in see my production,
like
they enter.
What the work I enter.
As you can see, because I normally produce without no one the request for it.
Okay,
so
they use your own money they produce
to
them,
produce them so that pass, you will see my work.
Wow.
One day you go give me your own work.
Wow.
See, that's
do that, and somebody will give you another
business. That's how I normally get customers around. And secondly, now things are very expensive based on our production. Like for instance, now this plywood now is one we bought it before 70 Ghana. Now it's now 1.2, 1.3. See, every time you go to the market to buy goods, things are normally high. But what we normally do is that we still let our customer understand so that we can transact business together.
Because business no good for chop.
Yeah. So that's how we are just able to manage it as of now. We are just.
But at least business they come.
At least they come one. Sometimes slow, sometimes calm.
The economy hard.
But we are just still thanking God that we are still getting our daily bread.
Sure.
Exactly.
All right, let me enter your personal life small. Are you married?
Oh, for sale. I'm married.
You get children?
I get children.
They're more from Ghana or like your woman, your wife, she from Ghana?
No, my wife is not from Ghana. And
then you get children?
I get children too.
Then they Ghana here?
Now, as of now, they did Ghana here. See, but in those days, they were not in Ghana. But now, they are with me now. They are with me now.
This job they do, if you take good care of the family, like, man, Poppy be carpenter man, but the money, they give me money. Kiddies, as you know, your wife, they complain about the business, they do make you stop, go find another job. Because some of my guys, they complain, say, they're my business poor, they're my business, so they're my wife, they give them pressure.
It's true, bros, it's true. That pressure must be there. But as you, as the man, as the man, you don't let pressure on you. Because if she put the pressure on you, you can easily mistake. You see, majority of us now, our wives and our children, the way you cater for them is based on what you are doing. You see, what you are doing, if it's not favorable to you, definitely the pressure will definitely come. So as the man, you have to what? Think more better before the pressure comes. But now, Now, even my wife and my kids are complaining. I won't lie you, they are complaining.
Everybody they complain.
They can't feed. That is the major problem. To feed is very difficult.
It's true.
Because say sometimes rain and all that. You see, no, they help the business to grow.
Wow.
No, you see now, but what I can able to see now is that we don't know what God can do at the time. So we rely on Him.
Sure.
So definitely we are complaining. We are not satisfied what we are benefiting from here. It's,
Let me ask you this question too. You go advise your kiddie when one day he grow, make he grow learn this job.
That is a very good question. I will not allow my kiddie to get this kind of job.
Maybe into we get passion like how you get
Fine.
that passion.
It's true. It's true. Everybody have his own dream. My kiddie
So
dream.
your kiddie they grow,
Yeah.
they come your shop, they hold things for you. One day the moment he hold, he go learn.
Definitely.
He go learn.
Definitely. But he can be.
I want to do this work in the future.
Yes.
What you could tell your kiddie.
Oh, if you say you want to do it in future, it's for her desire.
So you there, you go there back and support
I
him.
will watch him. They support him. If he's perfect, fine. If he's not perfect, he rather go to what he or he want to become. Yes. Because if it's not perfect, this way can't do it.
The job that they do, I will share the job that they do. If you ask somebody, say you go make your kiddie do me, you go tell you say no because of the system. You know the favor musicians here. But I don't know you people, the carpentry work. I don't know. Say if maybe they favor you guys.
You know that is favoring us, but we are just managing.
It's true.
Just that to while away times.
Okay.
See, we can't just keep on be idle.
All right.
That is why.
So me, at the pass, I want this kitchen. It be kitchen what?
Kitchen cabinets.
Kitchen cabinet. Or I the one make you do wardrobe, 3 doors.
Yes.
How much?
3-in-1.
Yeah, 3-in-1. How much for that?
The 3-in-1 wardrobe.
Yeah.
The 3-in-1 wardrobe as of then, and now it's a different cost.
So how much I want
As
to
a-
do?
the current-
Somebody want to.
the
But somebody
current-
want to do some today. How much you will sell?
The current one now, you can get at now, you can get like 40, 45.
4,000.
4,000.
500.
500.
You
You see, you can get it 40, 45. But bit a little bit of it can get it 35. 3,500. That's what.
What about 2 doors?
The 2-door? Oh, definitely the 2-door. We have different type of 2-door. There's the one lamination one. There's the one spraying one. The spraying one can get like 1,007, 1,005. While the laminated one can get like 2,000. 2,000.
Wow.
That's how.
Wow. Then if you could then tell your prices be cool because I asked one word will be like the 2 doors. The man tell me it's 5,000. I'm saying, hey.
And secondly, based on our fertility here,
Okay.
see,
The people around.
the people around us, you know,
Okay,
you know, anything you are doing, you have to look the environment and how the price is going to be,
true.
before you can be able to subdue your price.
So how you dey promote your works? How you dey use right now? Everything is on social media. People they use them on platform to promote their businesses. So you two did the social media. They promote your.
I did the social media.
What be your name for social
But
for
right
Facebook
now,
and
right
Insta?
now, my phone, I'm stressed my phone.
Oh, sorry.
So that sister, I'm not social media now.
Wow.
That is
Wow.
for that now.
Wow.
Stressed my
Sorry.
phone. I went
sorry,
to take some
sorry.
estimate. I forgot it over the person's house.
Okay.
So when I called him, he said that he traveled.
Oh, okay.
So
All right. Let's watch the future. Right now, you get 2 shops. Things no good. At least you dey manage them small. How will they see the future and how you won't see yourself in maybe 10 or 20 years come?
Oh, 10 or 20 years coming, I wish that I will be better than this and have more branches all over the Ghana and the workers. So I will be the underboss.
Wow.
So
I dey pray 10 years by this time. They will be mention the pogas and this then today they mention wood affairs too.
Yeah,
Wow.
That's what I'm praying for.
Wow. Ebusia, someone want me brother. Before you go, what be your real name?
Oh, basically, people call me Kapi. Well, I'm not a Kapi. That's what I'm doing. That's what.
So what be your real name?
My real name is John.
John.
Yeah.
John what?
Tetteh.
John Tetteh.
Yeah.
You Nigeria might be Tetteh.
Why am I Tetteh? My mother is a Ghanaian.
Okay.
But I didn't grow up in
Ghana.
In Ghana.
Okay.
I was based.
John Tetteh.
John Tetteh. I was based over Nigeria. When I grew up, I came to Ghana.
Wow. Okay, if somebody want make you do something for any number or your location where you there right now, what be the name? Here be Oduma. Wache Junction. Yeah. Ablekuma Oduma. Wache Junction. If they ask Kapi.
Yeah, this is or
okay.
If you ask a kid or if you grown up old back Kapi, it will direct you to my destination.
Wow. All right. Before our time they go, but let me try ask this question. Right now, the youth, a lot of the guys, they don't want to learn anything. What they need be quick money. They take the money. We advise we give the youth. Then they watch you right now. We advise we give them.
The youth of these days now, the way they are living is beyond. Because they don't like work, definitely, which is youth of these days. They don't like to work, but they need money. My brother, they need money more than the old men. Youth of these days, their aims, what their father have not aims, that their father time, their aims is more than their father now.
I swear.
You see, they don't even like work.
Be true.
But they need the money.
That's if you know work, how you go get money?
No. Oh, their man says that they have to get the money. I have like 3 apprentices over here.
I was about to ask that, say why?
They run.
Why you don't get apprentice or somebody you go impart that knowledge to?
I have 2 here. There are 3, but left 1 now. That when normal go to schools.
Okay,
school,
then you come.
2 have gone based on money issue. That he need money, that he having girlfriend. This they have some bill that
somebody come learn job.
Work, you are telling that you need money to solve your problem. How can you learn? See, they can't learn. That is the major problem now. So what advice I have for them that they should focus. They should be serious. They should not be thinking about getting money. Anything they are doing, they should have passion of it.
And the money go follow.
And the money go follow.
Sure.
You see, but they don't like to work. Secondly, majority of them, they die. Envy dying off because of money.
Money, it's true.
As you can see, the age of 20, 18, 15, 30, RIP. Because of what? Money.
It's true.
As you can see, those days, our fathers, the way they live young, old. Now, youth of this day, they are not living old. They easily die because of money. So what I can able to tell them that they should try and buckle up.
Wow.
Have something doing. Once they have something doing, whatever they are doing can fetch them money.
Money is true.
Not by chasing no money in all kinds of ways.
Wow. Charlie, good advice. You the youth. You the year, go learn something. Right now, you see what they see the guys they do be. They ask money on street. Oh bro, you know go if say they come here now somebody you know go give me 5. So I tell them say Charlie, go and hustle. Me too, I they go hustle.
When I come from some place when I just come, I drop for the bells now. So some guy, you find guy with suit. He's having his bag. He say he have exhaust, he don't have money to wear his destination. How? You are not working, you are just creating formats to get money to feed up.
Wow.
I said, guys, this is what you are doing, it's not going to help you.
All right.
Wood
affairs.
Yeah, bro.
We dey go.
But
we need your telephone number if somebody want to call you.
My telephone number
they give us
my signboard.
On the signboard. Okay, we go put that on the screen so say people. All right, Abusian, I had the jumadi ni na besi before we go no. Mefa this opportunity ada my brother I say Mr. John Tetteh medana se for opportunity or there my and madam producer or him Lily and me camera woman sister Ella beda on so was pass mama program we abaso there you better sponsors and so as some woman DB Superfine Bakery for an attempt better corporation yes better GTR sounds you better almost so much and I na de Makosem be see na bra kapi e church come. If you need anything about wood be just call am na munye business omo. Thank you very much. Debbie, I went to one Debbie, do fear.